energy. So now the difference between what is CNTFET and silicon MOSFET, what are the difference between this the carbon nanotube based FET and silicon based MOSFET? So the CNT, the threshold voltage is proportional. See, in CNT, everything depends on diameter because you are going to roll it in the form of a rod, right? So everything depends on diameter. So the threshold voltage is inversely proportional to the diameter. So with decreasing diameter, the power reduces and delay increases and the device becomes moderately fast. Hence, carbon nanotube based circuits are energy efficient. So they are saying the threshold voltage is inversely proportional to the diameter. So when the diameter is going to reduce, threshold voltage will increase. Okay, and as a result, what they say, the device becomes extremely fast in operation. So I can say the CNTFET devices are going to be energy efficient. At one voltage, the CMTs can deliver 3 times more current than MOSFET. So we have seen the diagram, very high amount of currents are flowing to the device. So at around 1 volt itself, CNT can deliver 3 times more current than MOSFET. So switching occurs by conductivity in silicon MOSFET, whereas it occurs by modulation of contact resistance in CNTFET. In conventional MOSFET, the channel resistivity plays a crucial role, but here we are replacing the channel by CNTFET, right? So there, here the contact resistance is going to vary the switching characteristics. So the carrier velocity in CNTFET is 2 times that of silicon. So you know when the carrier velocity is high, the majority carriers will start moving very fast, leading to huge amount of current. So 4 times the trans conductance is larger compared to silicon MOSFET. So in all ways, now we have found an alternative to silicon. The mobility is 2 times higher. The conductance is 4 times higher. So CNTFET can also be fabricated with Omega Schottky contact. So there are two main types of CNT based on current injection methods. One is MOS CNT, another one is Schottky barrier CNT FET. So one more classification of CNT. Either you can fabricate CNT FET with Omega Schottky contact. So based on that, you have two methods. One is MOS CNT FET and second one is Schottky barrier SB CNT